So for my birthday, I got this little Fosi audio amp with Bluetooth in it. So the idea is, out in my garage, I have a little TV and a dusty Apple TV over here. But I also have an old receiver, which is also extremely filthy, and these large speakers up above. But currently I have no way to get the audio from the Apple TV to the receiver, because this does not take HDMI. So I'm hoping this device will solve that problem. Let's open it up and take a look. All right, and we got the manual. Pretty simple. Just the box. You can see it's got the power, treble, bass, and volume. And then on the back, the line in, speaker connections, and the Bluetooth antenna and the power adapter. And it comes with the AC cable and the power adapter itself. It's pretty chunky. There's the specs if you want to pause it and read those. Next, we will hook it up and see how it sounds. All right, and these speaker connectors, as you can see, just has the little hole through. Push this through, and then you just twist that, tighten it back up again. All right, I got it hooked up. I'm gonna clean the wires up later and probably take that out, but let's turn it on for the first time. Got a little red light. Make sure everything's turned down. And now let's go into the Apple TV. So I'm gonna go into settings and to the Bluetooth area, and let's see if we can find the device. And there it is, Fosi Audio. And we are connected. That was easy. Let's play something. Okay. Now let's turn up the audio. Okay. Turn it up all the way. Let's see if I
because it's very expensive. Clearly, it's not for everybody.
turn the audio up on this.
For me,
oh, it's getting loud. Okay. Let's turn this to about halfway. And then let's turn this up.
Every week. So I was excited for it. So let's just go right through everything. First of all, I did open up the event. It wasn't just MacBook Pros.
Okay.
There was some audio stuff.
Now let's see if we can get some bass into this.
Service, basically a lower tier of Apple Music through Siri. That's $5 a month. There's some new HomePod mini colors, and also there's a new third generation.
I can hear the
AirPods.
difference.
So there's a new design that basically looks just like AirPods Pro, but without the silicone tips and the noise cancellation. And they have a new wider case with MagSafe wireless charging and a longer battery life, and they're $179. Definitely get subscribed to stay tuned for that full review when I get those in my hands here. But then we got right to the good stuff, right into the new Apple Silicon. So the M1 chip, which seems like pretty recent, but we've had for a little while now, was a...
Well, it sounds pretty good to me. I'm gonna play some music here. I'll let you know how it sounds because I don't want to get any copyright strikes on it. But yeah, so far so good. Yeah, this thing makes the speaker bump a little bit. I only have the volume not even halfway, and with a heavy bass song, I can feel my workbench vibrating a little bit. So it definitely has a little bit of push to it. Will it replace a full-fledged stereo with subwoofers and all that stuff? Probably not, but for a garage, if you just want a quick and easy push to your speakers, this thing seems to work great. And I believe this unit here is rated at 100 watts per channel. I think there's some other ones on Amazon that are 50 watts per channel, but for my use case, this will work perfect. I'll put a link in the description in case you want to get one of these for your own garage or your own makerspace or whatever you have. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching.